Hey everybody, it's Promi. Welcome back to our new video. If you guys don't know anything about me, I am a new English language learner. Now today I make a practice video with my elder brother. Hey Tanvir.
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I am also good.
And thank you so much for your cooperation. And today we are going to make a video. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can use tense with spoken English. As you know that my sister is a new English language learner. He's just in a beginning stage and I'm just trying to help him to increase his spoken English knowledge. I mean, I will try to help her to improve her spoken English fluency. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Now we are going to start. First of all, today I would like to share you how we can use tense. I mean, we will share some examples like present, past and future tense, and let's get started. আচ্ছা, if I say যদি আমি বলি যে আমি হচ্ছে যে আমি সুপার শপে যাই,
I go to super shop.
I go to super shop. ওকে, তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স, অর্থাৎ I go আমি যাই। এই সেন্টেন্সটিতে আমরা ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম ইউজ করেছি। ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম আমরা ইউজ করব সাবজেক্টের সাথে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে। Now we are going to convert this sentence with four sentences. I mean, we are going to convert positive, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative sentence. These four ways. Now আমি সুপার শপে যাই,
I go to super shop.
I go to super shop. আমি যদি বলি if I say you, আমি সুপার শপে যাই না,
I don't go to super shop.
I don't go to
Super shop.
তাহলে আমি কি সুপার শপে যাই?
Do I go to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাই না?
Don't I go to super shop?
Don't I go to
Super shop.
Now you can use this pattern to improve your fluency. It will be really helpful and it's a fabulous way to increase your fluency. তাহলে আমরা হচ্ছে যে এখন we already discuss about how we can use present indefinite tense. Now we will discuss about past tense. If I say আমি সুপার শপে গিয়েছিলাম,
I went to super shop.
I went to
Super shop.
I mean, we are using verb second form.
V2.
V2. I mean went, go, went, gone. আমরা জানি ভার্বের তিনটি ফর্ম. We know that verb has three forms: present form, past form, and past participle form. Now we are using past form for making sentence about past indefinite tense. আচ্ছা, তাহলে if I ask you আমি সুপার শপে যাইনি,
I didn't go to super shop.
I didn't go to
Super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে গিয়েছিলাম?
Did I go to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাইনি?
Didn't I go to super shop?
Now we already discussed present. We have discussed present and past indefinite tense. Now we are going to discuss about
Future
indefinite tense. Now আমি সুপার শপে যাব,
I will
go
to super shop.
I will go to super shop. আমি সুপার শপে যাব না,
I will not go to super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাব?
Will I go to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাব না,
Will not I go to super shop?
will not I go to
Super
super
shop.
shop. Now you can use any kind of verb here like go. You can, instead of go, you can use any kind of verb and you can practice more so that you can be fluent. Now we are moving to present, past and future continuous tense. I hope you guys will understand the whole thing. Let's get started. আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমি যদি বলি আমি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছি,
I am going to super shop.
I am going to
Super shop.
তাহলে if we convert in the negative way this sentence, আমি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছি না,
I am not going to super shop.
I am not going to super shop. And আমি কি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছি,
Am I going to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছি না,
Am I not going to super shop?
am I not going to
Super
super
shop.
shop? As you can see, actually I'm just helping to her to share the thing very easily. For that reason, sometimes I'm just assisting to her to make this video comfortably. Now we are going to fast continuous tense. You know, when we need to make a sentence about fast continuous, that time we would use was and were, and
Yes.
you have to, at the same time you have to use was, were plus verb ing form, you know. And now we are going to make some sentences about fast continuous tense.
Okay.
আমি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছিলাম,
I was going to super shop.
I was going to
Super shop.
আমি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছিলাম না,
I was not going to super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছিলাম,
Was I going to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাচ্ছিলাম না,
Was not I going to super shop?
wasn't I going to
Super shop.
We already discussed present and fast continuous tense. Now we are moving to
Future
next,
continue.
future continuous tense. Okay, if I ask you, আমি সুপার শপে যেতে থাকবো,
I will be going to super shop.
I will be going to
Super
super
shop.
shop. আমি সুপার শপে যেতে থাকবো না,
I will not
be
going to super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে যেতে থাকবো,
Will I
be
going to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যেতে থাকবো না,
Will I not be going to super shop?
will I not be
Going to super shop.
super shop? Now we will discuss about present, past and future perfect tense. After that I will try to share the whole thing very easy way, I mean very shortcut way. Let's get started. You know, when we need to make a sentence about present perfect tense, that time we have to use have or has. If we make about third person singular number, that time we have to use has, otherwise we will use have. And also when you are using have and has, after have and has we have to use verb base form,
Base form.
verb first participle form, I mean verb v3. Now we are using verb go. For that reason it will the past participle form will be gone, go, went, gone. Now আমি সুপার শপে গিয়েছি,
I have gone to super shop.
I have gone to super
Super
shop.
shop.
আমি সুপার শপে যাইনি,
I have not gone to super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে গিয়েছি,
Have I gone to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাইনি,
Have not I gone to super shop?
okay, haven't I gone to
Super shop.
Now we will make sentence about fast perfect tense. As you know that when we need to make fast about fast perfect tense, that term we have to use had plus verb fast participle, you know. Now we are going to make some sentences about past perfect tense. আমি সুপার শপে গিয়েছিলাম,
I had gone to super shop.
I had gone to
Super shop.
আমি সুপার শপে যাইনি,
I had not gone to super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে গিয়েছিলাম,
Had I gone to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে যাইনি,
Had not I gone to super shop?
super shop. Now we are moving to future perfect tense. I mean আমি সুপার শপে গিয়ে থাকবো, I will have
gone to super shop.
আমি সুপার শপে গিয়ে থাকবো না।
I will not have gone to super shop.
আমি কি সুপার শপে গিয়ে থাকবো?
Will I
Have.
have gone to super shop?
আমি কি সুপার শপে গিয়ে থাকবো না?
Will I not gone to super shop?
Will I not
Gone to super shop.
have gone to super
Super
shop?
shop.
Now I think you are now little bit confused about I went to super shop and I had gone to super shop. They are in these two sentences, I mean these two structures, you may have a little bit confusing situation. Now I am going to share you the thing. If you need to make like আমি সুপার শপে গিয়েছিলাম, then you can use I went to super shop. And if you make such kind of sentence like আমি সুপার শপে তুমি যাওয়ার পূর্বে গিয়েছিলাম, I had gone to super shop before you go, then that time you can use had gone. And usually when we are communicating with each other, we need to make a video or we need to make a sentence about fast, I mean fast, then you can use I had gone to super shop. It's also okay, but it's not like you need you no need to confuse or no need to be concerned about this pattern. You can use both, but grammatically the situation based. Now if situation demand আমি যাওয়ার তুমি যাওয়ার পূর্বে আমি গিয়েছিলাম, সে খাওয়ার পর আমি খেয়েছিলাম, সে বক্তব্য দেওয়ার পূর্বে আমি দিয়েছিলাম, সে ক্লাসে জয়েন করার পূর্বে আমি জয়েন করেছিলাম, I had joined in the meeting before he joined. তাহলে সে জয়েন করার পূর্বে আমি জয়েন করেছিলাম, then these cases you can use those all things. And sometimes when we are making sentence about future continuous and future perfect, it's not gonna help us to use in our presence, I mean practical life. Like we are making sentence I will be going to super shop, আমি সুপার শপে যেতে থাকবো, but it's not usually we use. And you can use like I will be going to the super shop, I will be I mean you are a worker of this super shop, and for that reason you have to you are used to going to the super shop regularly. For that reason you can say like I am going to the super shop from tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can use little bit such kind of sentence. On the other hand, when we are using like I will have gone to the super shop, I mean super shop e giye thakbo, and that time we little bit confused on which situation we can use this sentence. I mean we can use this sentence on the situation of like আমি আগামীকালকে মিটিংয়ে উপস্থিত হয়ে থাকব, I will have attended the meeting, tomorrow's meeting. ওকে, আমি আগামীকাল বিকাল 3টায় অথবা আমি অন টাইম I mean সঠিক সময়ে মিটিংয়ে উপস্থিত হয়ে থাকব, I will have attended the meeting on time. সঠিক সময়. I think you guys now enjoying this video, and hope we'll make this we'll continue our making video. If you feel something good for this video, you can make a comment and do a hit like button. We and also I will try to share all of the things on our video screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. What would you like to say for viewers?
আমাদের পাশে থাকুন, দেখতে থাকুন আমাদের ভিডিওগুলো। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে।
She said always with me, always support us, and please keep continue watching our videos. She's a good just a new language learner. She doesn't know how to speak fluently, and right now I think a couple of minutes ago we discussed about for the first time I teach her how to use tense for making sentence which really needed for spoken English, and She performed well, and she I think she already gained some knowledges about how to use tense while speaking English. For that reason, we thought we can make a video for just sharing for with our viewers. Assalamu alaikum. We'll meet soon.
Allah Hafiz.